If you want to connect Bluetooth device to your Samsung Frame TV, at first you have to grab your Bluetooth device. So in my case, I'm gonna connect this wireless headphones, and you have to move them to the pairing mode. So in most cases you have to find LED indicator. In my case it's right here, and when this indicator start blinking on the white color or on the blue color, it depends on the device, it means that in the 99% it's actually in the pairing mode. So that's what I'm gonna do right now with my headphones. Okay, as you can see, they are in the pairing mode, so I can put them back. And next we have to open the settings, go for the sound, select sound output, and we have to go for the Bluetooth speaker list. And right now you have to just wait until they pops right here on the available devices list. Okay, and as you can see, right here we have our headphones, so we have to select them by clicking on OK, select pair and connect. Click OK, and here we are. So we can just go back, and if you want to listen through this headphones or through the device, you have to select this device from this list. So you can select between the TV speaker or your Bluetooth headphones or any Bluetooth device like speaker or whatever you have around you. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.